Imagine you are in mid-air. It feels like you are falling. Everything becomes a silent blur and you are holding a steering wheel. This is exactly what the Ford Ranger Raptor is engineered to do. Built with desert racing expertise, a toughened frame, and advanced Fox Live valve dampers, this pickup is purpose-built to get airborne and handle the impact seamlessly. To jump it safely, Ford driving experts follow a precise four-step process. It all begins with the setup. As you accelerate towards the crest, you must engage Baja Mode to prime the suspension for maximum movement, sharpen throttle response, and open up the exhaust. At the same time, switching to four-wheel drive automatic mode ensures the truck intelligently sends torque to the wheels with the most grip. As you build speed, keep your foot down and use the magnesium paddles to click up a gear. Next comes the steering, where consistency is absolutely key. You must approach the crest in a perfectly straight line and keep the steering wheel centered. Any cornering or steering input right before the launch will be heavily exaggerated once you are in mid-air, risking a severe loss of control. Once you are airborne, it is time for the third step, lifting off the throttle. The moment the tires leave the ground, you must completely take your foot off the accelerator. This keeps the truck settled and level in flight, while drastically reducing the forces put through the transmission when you land. Meanwhile, the smart suspension automatically detects that the vehicle is in the air, instantly stiffening the dampers to prevent the truck from bottoming out. Finally, you must remember to brake. Controlling this much energy requires a firm stop once you touch down. But thanks to the long travel suspension, the initial landing is incredibly soft, absorbing the impact without any violent bouncing, allowing you to bring the truck to a safe and controlled stop. It's an experience so smooth, it feels like skydiving on a sofa.